The time has come to build our seed starting station. Stay tuned. Alright, for those of you who don't know, I am an electrician by trade. So I was fortunate enough to score these light fixtures from work, and I'm going to pull the lens covers off because they're kind of... Well, this light fixture is not going to work. Can you guess why? Fortunately, we have a bunch more at work, so I'll just pick up another one when I get a chance. We'll go ahead and continue prepping these. As you can see, these fixtures are very old. We use them as temporary power outside, so they're pretty beat up. But for free, I can't complain. They'll do just fine. The lenses are extremely discolored from being outside for so long, so I feel like they would kind of screw with the lighting anyway, so I'm just gonna do them without lenses. We're looking for brighter anyway, so. Just disconnecting the old wire when we demoed the lights. We just cut the wire right outside the fixture just to make it faster. So now I'm gonna gut the old wiring, and once I install them on the shelf, I'll install the new wiring. Alright, just like that, all the lights are prepped and ready to install on the shelving once I get that put together. I wanted to talk about what we chose to get and why. So, for starters, with the shelf, I wanted to go with the 48-inch wide shelf because the light fixtures I got were 4 foot as well. Also found a shelf that was 16 inches deep, which a lot of shelves are usually 14 inches, so it's a little deeper as well. Has 5 shelves, so there's going to be lots of room for lots of plants. We were thinking maybe 4 shelves for plants or seeds, since we have 4 light fixtures, and then make one of the other shelves for storage for all of our materials. The light bulbs I chose, you're going to want to go with a super bright white light. So we went with the 6500 Kelvin, which is nice and bright, daylight. It kind of mimics the daylight. So we're hoping these will work good. And like I mentioned earlier, these light fixtures were ones I got from work. So we're going to put them to use and saved a little bit of money there. So let's get back to it. You gonna help, dude?
Hi, baby.
Nice. What you think, dude? Careful, it can only support 600 pounds.
Uh-oh.
doing, kid?
He's gonna lick it.
I mean, isn't that what you do with metal shelves? No?
That's what he does with anything, really.
What's up, my dude? What are you doing in there?
Hi, baby.
This is awesome. Don't put me in a pack and play, but
Yeah.
I'll definitely climb into this shelf that looks like a cage.
Oh, watch yourself.
Now what? Got yourself in a pickle.
Come here. Come on, do you need some help? No? Careful up there.
What's up, my dude?
Uh-oh.
First I'm gonna
Here.
lick it, then I'm gonna puke on it.
Yeah. Hi, baby. Careful.
Alright. Ready, my dude? Whoa.
Buddy. Come here. What are you doing?
And there you have it. Just like that, we have a shelf. Don't worry, it can support 600 pounds. I'm only 480.
Promise.
So what I decided to do here was just use a long 4-inch bolt. It's actually a toggle bolt without the toggle, and run it up through there, and this way you can adjust the nut on top to adjust the height of the light for the distance from the seeds. Alright, you ready to help Daddy? Yeah. Alright. This is first put one of the washers. One here. Nope, the washers. This guy. Put that on there. Okay. Alright, now put that other washer on there. Yeah. Yep. Then grab that nut. And you gotta screw it on there. You gotta, you gotta spin it on there. Can you spin it on? Yeah. And turn it. Oh, what a good girl. Awesome. High five. Yeah, that's my girl. Alright, 4 shelves with 4 lights. Now we just gotta wire them up. And then we'll have the top shelf for storage. Alright, we got to repeat the same step for the last 3 lights, obviously, and I don't think you want to sit and watch through me wiring each and every light. So we'll check back in once I get all the lights wired and ready to put lamps in. Alright, got everything wired up. I got my mess cleaned up. Now I just got to put the lamps in and try it out.
Try it out.
Try it out.
Try it out.
Yeah. Alright, except for the bottom one, because if you recall in the beginning of the video, one of the tombstones had burnt up. So we're going to plug it in and see what happens. Stay back in case it goes boom boom. All right. What do you think, Mavis?
Yeah.
Wow. Check it out, Mommy.
Wow. Is that last one not working?
All right, guys, there it is. Starting to get dark out, so you can see what it looks like with no other lights on. Super excited about this. Can't wait to get some seeds going.